Good morning, options traders. Steve Gans here, and I want to share with you today one of my favorite trades, particularly to put on in a more volatile market, a market that's moving down. And if we look at the SPX right now, the SPX is making new lows on the day. I believe it's off about $100. Yeah, it's down about 102 points right now. And more important than that is what's happening with volatility. So volatility has broken above the previous days. It was a little bit higher here a few moments ago, but anyhow, volatility is up. Again, a good opportunity for building out a broken wing butterfly. I'll come into option strat. I'll go to a put butterfly, long put butterfly is where I start these things. And then I like to put them on so that my upper long is right at the money. First of all, I'll split this apart. I like to do a 60-50, so we're going to be 60 points to the downside. And here, let's see, so 60 points, we're going to be at 57.60 to the downside. And then we'll go 50 points to the upside. And then I'm also going to just slide this on us. So I want to have and I can do this by holding the shift key, by the way, in case you're wondering how I was doing that. I'll go ahead and look to enter this trade here. You can see that in a one lot, it has about $1,000 in risk. Now, I tend to usually trade these a little bit larger personally, and this is not, just to stress, this is not a trade recommendation. This is educational purposes to see how butterflies react. But the key takeaway here that I want people to see is if I get the right price for this, oh, and also I want to go out here. I'm trading a ways out. I'm trading March 31st. Excuse me, March 21st, the monthlies. So I just want to give myself time on this. But if I go out to this point, I put this trade on, you can see that I have no risk of loss to the upside if I can enter this trade properly. And properly means that I'll get a credit basically for entering this trade, which you don't normally get, but you will get it on big down days when volatility is higher. What you'll notice on this trade is that this fill, I have roughly 100 points more that I can move to the downside without having much risk in the trade. And I have no risk to the upside if the market does rebound here. So I like this scenario. It gives me some buffer. If I take a look at SPX, if SPX does continue selling off, I personally feel like there's probably some support here around this 57.50. And if I come back here and take a look, 57.50 is right in here. So I'm fine with that. So I'm going to go ahead and save this trade. And this is a put broken wing butterfly. I'll just leave that there. And then I will do this as a start to finish trade, because if I need to adjust this, I will do so. And I'm going to make a note here that I opened in 100 point down day with VIX in the 22 range, just so it helps me look back on these trades and see why did I open it the way I opened it or when I opened it, etc. I'm going to go ahead, save that trade. I will share this link in the description down below. And I'm going to ask a favor of everyone. If you like this content, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe. That helps me understand the types of things that people are wanting to see more of. So thank you so much, everyone. Take care.